How to import Acorns 1099 into TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin. The first step is to log into your TurboTax account. Now open your return. Here you want to click on the Income and Expenses section. Once you're here, select the option of Investments and Savings. Click on the Add/Edit option. Now you want to select your financial institution. For this, you want to search for Acorns. Now click on this. For now, directly importing data from Acorn is not available, so you want to enter those details manually. Click on the option of Enter a Different Way, then select Stocks, Mutual Funds, Bonds, and Other. Now, you want to enter the details of your 1099-B form manually over here, such as bank or brokerage detail, account number, and payer's EIN. Then click on the Continue option. In this way, you want to fill out all the details. And in this way, you can import Acorns 1099 into TurboTax. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.